Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 2. Our objective, count 10 objects within counts of 10 to 20 objects. So dealing with our teen numbers. And describe as 10 ones and blank how many leftover ones. For example, if you look at my cards down here at the bottom, I see that I have a set of 10, so I say I have 10 ones, and then we have how many left over on this side. So 10 ones and 5 ones. Good. I have 10 ones and 5 ones. Great job. All right, we're going to play a game called How Many is One More? I will show you the dot cards. You will tell me how many by holding up your fingers, and then you're going to tell me how many is one more. So how many dots? 8. Good. One more? 9. Good job. 7 and one more? 8. Good. See if you can say the sentence just like me. 3 and one more? 4. 1 and one more? 2. This one more strategy is going to help you count quick. 10, one more, 11. Good job. 9, one more, 10. Well done. All right, this is the same game. You're going to show me one more, but this time I want you to hold your hands like this to show me. So show me 7, and you can see here that I have my other ones tucked in and these fingers loose, like they're ready to play the piano. Good. Show me 7. And then show me one more. Bring up 1. Good. 8. Well done. Oops. All right. Show me 6. Good. See how my fingers are tucked there? And show me one more. 6 and one more. 7. Well done. Show me 2. 2 and one more. 3. Good job. Show me 9. So all of your fingers should be out except for 1. I've got my thumb tucked under. Good. 9 and one more. 10. Well done, friends. When a family member or a friend gives you a number, say 4, you should be able to say 4 and one more is 5 and being able to add that 1 very quickly in your head. Good job, friends. All right, Justin counted some sticks into one pile of 10. So he's got his sticks and he's got a pile of 10 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, I still drew it the 5 group way. This makes it so that I can count those sticks quickly if I forget. I see that they're in this group, this 5 and 5, which makes 10. And then he has a pile over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What could we say about this pile? How many does he have? Oh, I like that. We could count them all up. Good. I'm going to say that he has 10 ones over here in this pile. This is the number ones. And then I'm going to say that he has 5 ones over here. So 10 ones and 5 ones. And all together, I can combine this to know that he has 15, sliding that 5 over. Good. All right, remember to practice your vocabulary for this week. We are learning about teen numbers and counting to 100 by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. All right, let's find out how many pennies I have, and we'll do cubes and bears, but let's start with the pennies. All right, so when we are counting our objects, it's helpful to have this 10 frame so that we can, I'm just gonna get rid of that real quick, sorry friends, so that we can count big numbers like our teen numbers. So for example, if I fill in this 10 frame, I don't even need to count right now, because if I put 1 penny in each square, I'll know by the end that I have 10. So we have 10 pennies up here. So I can say I have 10 ones. And how many left over in my bag? 4. Great job. So we say I have 10 ones and 4 ones. Great job. All right, see if you can do the cubes for me. Let's go ahead and bring them up. Remember, I'm going to make sure that I space it out and I give each cube its own square. Just trying to bring them up there quickly for you. All right, so if I have 10 cubes, I have 10 ones up here. How many ones down here? Good, 6. So go ahead and say the sentence with me. I have 10 ones and we can fill in 6 ones. Great job. All right, last one, friends. Let's go ahead and do the teddy bears. Put those back. Yeah, it's kind of tricky to see how many bears we have in the bag like this. So this strategy, this tool of using our 10 frame is really going to help us with this. So I'm going to go ahead and put a bear in each of the squares. And we are going to say I have 10 ones and 1 1. Good. We have 1 left over. I have 10 ones and 1 1. And altogether we can figure that out. 10 and 1 more is 11. Good job. All right. So we are going to touch and count 10 things, and we're going to circle that group of 10 so that we can figure out how many are left over. Let me make it a little bit bigger for you, and we're just going to do these top 2 together. All right. So for our picture of ducks, I can see right away that I've got a group of 5 here and a group of 5 here. And I know based on my 10 frame that 5 and 5 makes 10. So I'm going to circle those 10 ducks right there. And here's our sentence. I have 10 ones. That's referring to this group right here that we circled. And how many ones left over? How many ducks are still down here, not in my circle? 3. Great job. All right, so now let's take a look and we're going to do the same thing. It's kind of trickier to see the group of 10 in the piggy banks, but I'm going to do my best. And I know that I see 5 right here on top, and I'm going to count the rest just to be sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay, so I know that I need to carefully draw this group of 10. So those are 10 piggy banks. I have 10 ones, and how many ones left over? 2. Good job. As you can see, drawing your objects in the 5 group way helps you to easily see these teen numbers, these bigger numbers with your leftover all lined up nicely. Great job. All right, for our last one, we are going to practice drawing the 5 group way. Like I said, it's really going to help you to count if you draw it nicely. So let's read the sentence and look at our problem. I have 10 small circles and 2 small circles. So I'm going to give them 10 blue circles, making sure that I have 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. And then I'm going to give them 2 smaller circles. And we are going to say the sentence one more time. I have 10 small circles and 2 small circles. So 10 ones and 2 ones. Good job. All together, yeah, you can practice your teen numbers, a 1 and a 2. 12. All right, friends, last problem set for my cars. Go ahead and take a look. Tell me the ones way. So saying I have 10 ones and how many left, and challenge yourself by also writing the teen number. Good. I have 10 ones over here and 6 ones over here. Altogether, I have 16 cars. Great job. Thanks for joining me, friends.